was on me, and let me explain. So, oh my God, guys, look at this two-piece action. Okay, guys. For the shorts, guys, look. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I'm excited as I'll be giving you another update on my 30 days to Christmas 800 keto challenge. Guys, I'm excited and I can't wait for you guys to see what my updates are, if I lost any weight or if I didn't. And also in this video, guys, I'm going to be doing a clothing haul from the brand called Gymshark. This is not a sponsored video, but these are clothes that I bought for myself because I want to feel good. And I've always wanted to try the brand. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get to it. Okay guys, as you saw from the weight, I didn't lose a lot of weight this week. I lost only less than a pound. So guys, and I have an explanation for that. It has nothing to do with the diet. It was on me, and let me explain. So this last week was my husband's birthday on 4th December. So we had to celebrate his birthday. And of course I did go off my program to just celebrate him and stuff like that. And also we didn't come home. It was on Friday. We celebrated him on Friday and we didn't come home till like 03. So I had lack of sleep for that. And I had maybe 1 or 2 glasses of wine. But overall, I ate healthy when we went for dinner. I stayed like I just had protein and vegetables. And then also, guys, it was my husband's actual birthday was on a Monday, on the 4th of December. So we went out to Cheesecake Factory and then we came back. Of course, I had 1 or 2 glasses of wine because that was his actual birthday. And then this week on Friday, I had a Christmas party for my office. Of course, I dressed up and all that stuff, which I love. And we went to that. We went out as well. We didn't come home until like 02. I did have 1 or 2 glasses of red wine. And then yesterday was my son's Christmas party at their Taekwondo thing. It was like a dress up and all that stuff. And it went up to midnight. And so I have been staying up the whole week and with all these other functions that have been going on. So they did affect my diet and my program, but that's life, guys. We have to be flexible. And also I still did stay on my program. I ate healthy. Even when I deviated off my diet, I ate healthy. I was very cautious of that. And I still walked as well. So guys, as you saw, despite all those things, the stressors and all the other things, I still did lose some weight. It might not be as much weight as I lost last week, but I did lose weight. And this week, so for next week, I'm excited because I'm going to be zoned in. I'm going to be strict with myself because I have nothing happening this whole week. Well, my husband does have a Christmas party for his office on Friday, but I don't think I'm going to attend that. But I'm going to be strict and until next weigh-in. So I'm hoping next weigh-in, I'm going to at least drop 2 to 3 pounds, hopefully. And yeah, guys, I'm excited. Today's the 10th and we have 10 days to Christmas. Is it? No. So today's the 10th and we have 15 more days to Christmas. So guys, I'm so excited. I love Christmas. It's one of my favorite holidays. I love receiving gifts and I love giving gifts as well. So yeah, guys, I'm excited and I'm almost done with decorating my house. I can't wait for you guys to see what I did. It looks beautiful. And I know I owe you guys a Thanksgiving dinner video. You'll see me cook and stuff like that. I should post it either today or tomorrow. But we'll see because I'm trying to decorate my trees. I'm going to have 2 trees this year. And yeah, so I'm going to have like a white tree and then I'm going to have like a tree in the here. It'll be like white and green, and then the other room it'll be like the entryway. It's going to be like a tree with red accents and stuff like that. So I'm excited, guys, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. So guys, the stuff that I got from Gymshark, I'm going to show you what I got, and then I'm going to have a clip here so that you see how it looks. I'll do a try on for you guys, but I'm excited, guys. Yeah. Okay, so the first for the shorts, guys, look at these shorts, guys. Oh my God, they are beautiful. I am going to buy more of these. I'm going to get them in different colors. Look at this. I look so beautiful. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. It looks really good. It gives me a nice structure. I'm loving this. They are nice and stretchy. And here, as you can see, cinching in my waist or snatching my waist. I love it, guys. These are so nice and so breathable as well. And there's room, look. This is awesome. Love this. Oh my God, guys. Look at this two-piece action. Okay, guys, look at this. This is so beautiful. So this is a two-piece. It's really cinching in my waist. Oh, okay. I love it. It's so comfortable. You can see it looks really nice. The leggings are breathable. Oh my God, the hype was real. Although it looks like a black set right now, but this is kind of like a dark gray. It's black, but it's more like a charcoal gray, like a dark charcoal gray. And this is black, but it works. It looks really nice. As you can see, guys, look at that. West snatched, cinched in. I love it, guys. I really love these leggings. They're beautiful. Gymshark, okay. And it's really nice. Like it has room. Like, yeah, I love it, guys. So this is the black top. It is so beautiful. As you can see, it's long. It's very stretchy and good quality. And look at that. I love it. And look at the front. And this is the back to the top. It has a hole here, a keyhole, which is big. And it comes all the way down. It's very tight and it cinches in. It cinches in the waist. Whew, it cinches in, and then yeah, guys, I love it. It's a nice one to wear during the cold season. It really stretches. Anybody can fit this, even someone who's an extra large. Second, guys, the leggings I have on are from Gymshark as well. As you remember, I showed you. They're really nice. They're blue. They really cinch the waist. You see that, guys? They sucked in my belly. They made look at that. That's my behind. It fits. It goes all the way up. It's really nice. These are really beautiful. Look at this. Cinched my waist in. I love it, and it's very tight, but comfortable tight. So that's the outfit. Look at this outfit, guys. Oh my God, this is beautiful, guys. So this is the two-piece. So this is the green top. It's really nice. It's light. It's still stretchy. It's not as hugging as the black one, but it still works. It's nice. It's light. And this is the back. And guys, so these are the leggings that come with the top, as you can see. Guys, this is beautiful. Do you see that? So they call this the everyday. I love it. I love the green on my skin. I just love the whole, I don't even know what I like the whole pieces. I like all the pieces I got. This is so beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. Look at that. guys, I want to say thank you so very much for the support I got from my previous video. It did really good, which I was very happy about, guys, and I got a lot of subscribers, and I want to say thank you so very much, guys. And to my new subscribers, oh, welcome to the fam. And to my old subscribers, thank you for your support and always being around and in my corner and supporting me. Thank you so very much, guys. I'm excited. My track to 5,000 looks bright, so I'll continue doing these videos. It seems like you guys like these videos, and yeah, guys, I'm excited. Thank you so very much, guys, for your support. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that every time when I post a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.